What is up, guys? Scott with Never Hedge back for another TRCH update, and we are up a little bit during regular trading hours at 20 cents gain on the day, 4.21%, and then now in after hours we're back down right pretty much to where we started. Let's go down. RSI is not looking ideal, sitting at 43.66, but not worried about that. And let's zoom in on these MACD lines. They're looking a little bearish after hours with that sell-off. We do have a bit of news to get to today. June 25th, Torchlight announces payment of a special Series A preferred stock dividend and a 1-to-2 reverse stock split with planned closing of the arrangement agreement with Metamaterial, Inc. All right, let's get right to it, guys. Torchlight Energy Resources, Inc., an oil and gas exploration company, today announced that it paid the Series A preferred stock dividend on a one-for-one basis to its stockholders of record on June 24th, 2021. Torchlight also announced that it implemented a 1-for-2 reverse stock split of its common stock. The reverse stock split will become effective after market closing on June 25th, 2021, and was approved by the stockholders of Torchlight and its special shareholder meeting held on June 11th, 2021. The 1-for-2 ratio represents the lowest amount Torchlight may implement under the 1-to-20 range, so that's pretty good, guys. And that was previously approved by the stockholders. Torchlight also announced that the steps necessary to close the business combination with Metamaterial, Inc. were completed on June 25th, 2021, and therefore Torchlight expects that the business combination will be effective on June 28th, 2021 as of 12:01 a.m. Eastern. Commencing on June 28th, Torchlight's name will be changed to Metamaterials, Inc., and its common stock will begin trading on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol MMAT. Prior to the implementation of the reverse stock split, it was expected that Metamaterial, Inc. shareholders would receive 3.690 shares of Torchlight common stock in exchange for each of their shares of Metamaterial. This exchange ratio was planned to result in the Metamaterial, Inc. shareholders owning approximately 75% of the post-merger company. Metamaterials, Inc., subject to financings prior to the closing of the business combination. To ensure that the Metamaterial, Inc. shareholders owned the same approximately 75% after the reverse split, the exchange ratio was divided by 2 to 1.85 shares of Torchlight, which will be renamed Metamaterials, Inc. as of Monday morning, for each share of Metamaterial, Inc. to reflect the reverse split impact on the total outstanding shares of Torchlight. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of Torchlight's shareholders, its board, and the team at Metamaterial, Inc. for their longtime support, enthusiasm, and efforts in making this merger a success, commented John Berta, Torchlight's CEO. We plan to continue our efforts related to our asset divestiture to provide a positive outcome for preferred A stockholders, as well as entering this new chapter for the combined company. I look forward to working with the management of Metamaterials, Inc. to ensure a smooth transaction. All right, so not too bad. So we're getting 1.845 shares of Torchlight, or of Metamaterial for each share of Torchlight. Let's see what Twitter's got to say about this. All right, so Shay Street on Twitter: reverse split of TRCH to keep the price above limits if it drops before the MMATF merger. Preferred stock is divided is the dividend payout placeholder. Place is still waiting on TRH transfer agent for these. TRH price is the new MMAT price, and TRCH and 1-to-1 and MMATF 3.6-to-1 going into MMAT. Looks like TRCH went for 1-for-2 stock split and keep the previous percents equivalent. They're doing a 1.85 for shares of MMAT, for each MMATF instead of the 3.6 discussed previously. So let's see how this all gets wrapped up for TRCH merging with MMATF into MMAT. And then Clay Harned asks, with the price increasing due to the 1-to-2 reverse split and shorts having to cover Monday, would this drive the price up even more? Or this would drive the price up even more, correct? Read so many different things on this situation, just looking for some clarity. If someone owed 100 shares before the reverse split, they owe back 50 shares after. The total accumulative price ends up being about the same. Just for easy math, say TRCH is at 5, so it was 100 at 5, now it would be 50 at 10. Again, the total cash equivalent would be the same. Okay, so Monday is going to get pretty crazy for this, with the shorts having to cover on Monday after TRCH is no longer a company, and you cannot short a company that is no longer exists. So shit's gonna get pretty spicy, boys. Pretty spicy. We're gonna have to wait and see. I would expect TRCH, or I guess it would be MMAT to be up. My guess for Monday is MMAT is going to be up 35% minimum, maybe even so. That's just Monday. It could be higher, honestly, but 35% is a conservative estimate on my end, just basing this on what I'm seeing and speculating and all that. But that's just about going to do it for this one, guys. I will keep you posted on TRCH. So as always, please be sure to be subscribed to the channel for more updates on TRCH and now MMAT, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.